Hi everyone, in this video I will explain to you how to fix Silent Hill 2 on Unreal Process has crashed SHProto error on PC. So first step is update your graphic drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are fully up to date, as outdated drivers are common cause of Unreal Engine crashes. Go directly to your GPU manufacturer's website to download the latest version. Second step is to verify game files. Corrupted game files can cause crashes. If you're using a launcher, verify your game file on Steam, go to Library, right-click Silent Hill 2, go to Properties, Installed Files, and verify integrity of game file. On Epic Games, go to Library, click on the three dots next to the Silent Hill 2, Manage, then Verify Files. Third step is adjust in-game graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings, especially shadows, texture, and anti-aliasing, can help if the crash is due to high resource usage or compatibility issues. Lastly is to disable overlays and background apps. Turn off any overlays like Steam Overlay, Discord Overlay, or GeForce Experience, as these can sometimes conflict with Unreal Engine games. Close unnecessary background applications to free up system resources, especially those related to GPU tweaking or monitoring. And that's basically it.